perpendicular from the apex, this from O to the opposite side means AB bisects the opposite side, right? So this is OC is perpendicular to AB and AC equals to BC, right? Also you can take it that the segment from the center to the chord which is perpendicular to that chord always bisects. That logic can also be used. Okay, so therefore use anything. So BC equals to CA equals to 7 by 2, right? That is 3.5, or keep it 7 by 2 only. Therefore PC equals to 9 plus 3.5, or keep it 7 by 2. You get 25 by 2. PC, right? So this is PC you have got. OP you know now, 13. So just use Pythagoras. Therefore in triangle OCP, OC square equals to 13 square minus 25 by 2 the whole square, right? So therefore 169 minus 625 by 4. Solve it and you get 51 by 4. That is OC square. Now BC square equals to 49 by 4. What is BC square? This, right? 7 by 2. Now you want OB. We want the radius. Therefore OB square equals to 51 by 4 plus 49 by 4 equals to 100 by 4, 25. So OB equals to 5. So radius is 5 centimeter. Next, in the given figure, find the value of x. See, this x we have to find out. Now what we know, PT we know, that is tangent 8, and this PA we know 4. Now we have to find x. Okay. Firstly join OT. Therefore OA equals to OT equals to x, right? This is x, this is x, radius, right? Both radii. Therefore OT perpendicular to TP. OT perpendicular to TP because radius and tangent perpendicular to each other. In triangle OTP, yes, OP square equals to OT square plus TP square, Pythagoras. Therefore 4 plus x the whole square equals to x square plus 8 square, right? Solve it. 16 a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. 16 plus 8x plus x square equals to x square plus 64. X square gone. Therefore 8x equals to 64 minus 16, 48. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.